The Fort Drum Natural Resources Branch once again brings you a new outdoor experience. We have just finished building a mountain bike trail on Ward Hill in Training Area 7 Gulf. This is a great ride in a beautiful forested setting. Come check out the trail and let us know what you think. Remember, during the fall hunting season, always wear your blaze orange when recreating on Fort Drum. Make sure you sign in as well at www.fortdrum.isportsman.net and follow the regulations for entering Fort Drum found on the homepage. New to recreation in Fort Drum's training areas, sign up and get a free access pass at www.fortdrum.isportsman.net. Then stop by our log cabin in front of our Natural Resources Outreach Facility, located in Building 2507 Colonel Reed Road, to grab a recreation mat. We'll see you on the trail.